Good morning and welcome back to the Vietnam Motorcycle Trip. And today, after 2 days here at the Heaven Hill Hotel, relaxing, today I'm going to Yen Bai. It's about 100 kilometers away, so not a long ride. I don't think there will be any real long rides. I think the longest ride I got booked up after this, or I'm looking at the maps, about 160, 140 or something. I'm almost all packed up. And once again, I've learned this about myself. Even if the hotel offers breakfast, I'm not going to make it. I'm just not. I mean, it's always like at 7 o'clock, and especially on a rest day, I'm like, I'm not getting up at 7 o'clock. No. I think it was 7 till 9, and I still didn't make it. Now, I was up, but, I'm not making it. And we'll get the bike loaded up, fill up the tank and gas. I could have done that yesterday on my off day. Didn't do it. And I might stop. There's this little market there, and I might grab like some fruit or something to snack on the trip today and some water. I'm going to get the bike loaded up, and I'll see you on the road. Got my water and my apples. Tank's all filled up. Let's see what the day's ride holds. Oh, okay. We get to go over a cool little bridge. I'm glad Google decided to lead me this way. We got a big old at the end of it. Okay, Google is taking me on an adventure. I have no idea why Google took me this way. I got a feeling there's a better way to go. But when you put it on like motorbike on Google, it well, sometimes it give you a very alternate route, as we'll say. Well, we get to go across the cool bridge again. I'm doing some dredging. Well, I would have missed this cool bridge if I'd looks like we're back on the regular road now. Yeah, sometimes Google leads you right too. Local traffic, of course. What else kind of traffic would there be? There ain't too much international traffic around here. Fantastic road. Well done, Google.
just had a nice little pizza over there. See from the video, it was like a Mexican style with corn and a little bit of sausage in it with little diced tomatoes on it. It was different. It was really good though. We still got 66 kilometers to go. Okay. We're 27 kilometers or so from the hotel. Easy ride today. Oh, got a buffalo. I wouldn't mind taking that rest day. Not that I like to lose a day of travel, but I'm hoping a good hard rain would clear up some of this smog. Up to my hotel here. I think, okay, it's on the other side. I don't think I can. It's like we had it's like it's been that way for a while. All right, Google, you let me roll.
Okay, got all checked into the hotel room. Check it out. We have got a bedroom. Let's do a nice little bed check. Oh yeah, good soft, good soft. And we have a sitting area with a little desk, sort of things. And let's take a look at the bathroom. Ooh, look what we have here. We have a jacuzzi tub. Can't go wrong with that. Need some handhelds for my old fat ass to get up out of it, but you know, we'll see how that goes. Anyway, so I am here. I am here for one night, possibly two if it's raining tomorrow. And let's take a look at my view. It's a view of the river, somebody's garden, and dirty window, but still. All right, got a nice place to chill and relax. I wouldn't mind being stuck here for 2 days. Okay, so today's ride and was pretty good. Can't complain. It was pretty uneventful. I mean, no great vistas or anything. There's some nice scenery, some good roads. Most of the roads were really good. So that was nice. And Google took, I don't know if that was the correct path or not. I think I got my Google settings set on motorbike. So it'll take me down some narrow things that maybe a car wouldn't go. So I think that's why it led me through that little village area, which was fantastic. I enjoyed that a lot. It was really cool. Got to go across the cool two little, like basically walking motorbike bridges. those were nice. Anyway, tomorrow, I can't remember exactly where I'm going to. Wherever it is, that's where I'll end up, unless it rains, and then I'll be here. But anyway, the next time you see me, I'll be on the motorbike, getting packed up and heading to the next destination. And that completes another day on the Vietnam motorbike tour. Be sure to like and subscribe. It sure helps me out. And to enjoy yourself. Because you're old and you could die soon. You should probably do that. Goodbye.